Enjoying the content? Smash that like button, share with your friends, and hit subscribe for more. Don't forget the bell icon. Stay updated. The extraordinary journey of Elon Musk. A prodigy in the making. Born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa, Elon Musk was not a typical child. While other kids played outside, young Elon spent countless hours immersed in books, science fiction tales, and early computer programming. By the age of 10, he had already taught himself to code, and at 12, he sold his first computer game, Blastar. These early signs of genius hinted at a future defined by relentless curiosity and an unyielding drive to push boundaries. Growing up, Musk often felt isolated, both by his intellectual pursuits and by the cultural environment around him. Bullied at school and restless in a society that didn't fully nurture his unconventional dreams, he found solace in the worlds he built in his mind. His imagination was boundless, dreaming of interplanetary travel and a world transformed by technology. A bold leap across borders. Determined to seek opportunities where his innovative spirit could thrive, Musk moved to Canada at 17, enrolling at Queen's University. His journey continued across the border to the United States, where he attended the University of Pennsylvania, earning dual degrees in physics and economics. Even as a student, his appetite for innovation was insatiable. Musk's brief stint at Stanford University for a PhD in applied physics was cut short. After just 2 days, he made the daring decision to leave academia behind in favor of building something real in the world of technology. Early entrepreneurial adventures. Musk's first major venture, Zip2, was founded in the mid-1990s. Along with his brother, he built a company that provided business directories and maps for newspapers, a precursor to the online world as we know it today. The success of Zip2, which was eventually sold to Compaq for nearly $300 million, laid the financial and psychological foundation for his future endeavors. It was a baptism by fire in the competitive world of Silicon Valley, teaching him both the thrill of innovation and the brutal challenges of business. With Zip2's success, Musk plunged into his next venture, X.com, an online payment company that would evolve into what is known today as PayPal. Despite early hurdles and internal disagreements, the venture revolutionized how people conducted transactions online. In 2002, when eBay acquired PayPal for $1.5 billion, Elon found himself at the cusp of a fortune, but more importantly, on the brink of even greater ambitions. The SpaceX Odyssey. Rather than resting on his laurels, Musk redirected his newfound resources and determination to an audacious goal, making space travel accessible. In 2002, he founded SpaceX with the vision of reducing the cost of space exploration and, ultimately, colonizing Mars. The journey was anything but smooth. The early years were punctuated by dramatic rocket failures, moments when the dream seemed to teeter on the edge of collapse. Critics and naysayers were quick to dismiss SpaceX as a doomed experiment. But Musk's unwavering resolve shone through. The fourth rocket launch in 2008, after years of setbacks, proved to be the breakthrough SpaceX needed. This success not only secured a critical contract with NASA but also demonstrated that the idea of reusable rockets was within reach. Today, SpaceX is celebrated not only for its technical innovations, such as the development of the Falcon and Starship series, but also for reshaping humanity's relationship with space. The company's mission to one day make life multiplanetary remains a bold testament to Musk's vision. Transforming the auto industry. Parallel to his cosmic ambitions, Musk invested heavily in reshaping the automotive landscape through Tesla Motors. When Musk joined Tesla in 2004, electric vehicles were considered impractical and fringe. Many traditionalists doubted that cars powered by batteries could ever compete with gasoline engines. Yet Musk saw the potential for a cleaner, more sustainable future. Under his leadership, Tesla overcame production challenges and technological hurdles to produce vehicles that were not only efficient but also desirable. From the revolutionary Roadster to the elegant Model S, and from the family-friendly Model X to the mass-market Model 3 and Model Y, Tesla has redefined what an automobile can be. Its rapid rise to becoming the most valuable car company in the world is a story of relentless innovation, risk-taking, and a commitment to a sustainable future. A portfolio of bold ventures. Elon Musk's entrepreneurial spirit did not end with rockets and electric cars. His ambitions spanned several cutting-edge fields: Solar City and Tesla Energy, Recognizing that sustainable energy required a holistic approach, Musk ventured into solar power and battery storage. Solar City, which later merged with Tesla to form Tesla Energy, was part of his plan to integrate renewable energy solutions seamlessly into everyday life. Neuralink. With the belief that technology could one day bridge the gap between the human brain and computers, Musk co-founded Neuralink. The startup is focused on developing brain-computer interfaces that could help treat neurological disorders and even enhance human cognition, hinting at a future where the boundaries between man and machine blur. The Boring Company. Frustrated by the limitations of urban transportation, Musk founded the Boring Company to create underground tunnel systems that could alleviate traffic congestion. Projects like the Las Vegas Loop illustrate his commitment to reimagining urban mobility and infrastructure. Artificial intelligence and OpenAI. Though initially a co-founder of OpenAI, a nonprofit research company aimed at ensuring AI benefits humanity, Musk later distanced himself due to concerns over AI safety. His perspective on artificial intelligence underscores his broader philosophy: technology must advance responsibly, with a vigilant eye on its societal impact. The controversies in the public persona. Elon Musk's journey has not been without controversy. His forthright manner on social media, unpredictable behavior, and often polarizing opinions have sparked debates worldwide. From public feuds with regulators and industry competitors to bold, sometimes erratic statements on platforms like Twitter, Musk has consistently pushed the envelope of what is acceptable in the world of business and public discourse. Yet, these controversies are intertwined with his successes. They highlight the immense pressure and responsibility that comes with trying to reshape entire industries, and even humanity's future. In many ways, Musk embodies the archetype of the visionary, a person willing to take enormous risks, challenge conventional wisdom, and sometimes face backlash for daring to dream differently. Legacy, impact, and the future. Today, Elon Musk stands as a figure who is as revered as he is reviled, a man who has not only transformed multiple industries but has also ignited a global conversation about innovation, sustainability, and the future of humanity. His ventures are united by a common thread: a relentless pursuit of progress and a belief that the impossible can be achieved with determination, ingenuity, and a willingness to learn from failure. Looking ahead, Musk's legacy is set to continue influencing several critical aspects of our world. Interplanetary colonization. With SpaceX's ongoing developments, the dream of establishing a human presence on Mars, and perhaps beyond, remains one of his most tantalizing goals. Sustainable energy and transportation. Tesla's influence on the automotive and energy sectors is reshaping how we think about mobility and power consumption, driving a global shift toward cleaner alternatives. Human-machine integration. Through Neuralink and related projects, Musk is exploring the future of human evolution in the age of artificial intelligence, hinting at a new era of cognitive and physical enhancement. Urban innovation. The Boring Company's efforts to reimagine urban transit remind us that even the most mundane aspects of daily life can be transformed through creative thinking. In every endeavor, Elon Musk challenges us to reconsider what is possible. His life is a testament to the power of bold ideas and the courage to pursue them, even when the odds are stacked against you. Whether you view him as a hero, a provocateur, or a visionary ahead of his time, there's no denying that Elon Musk's story is one of extraordinary ambition and relentless innovation, a narrative that continues to inspire millions around the globe. What are your thoughts on Elon Musk's journey? Do his bold visions excite you, or do they raise concerns about the pace of technological change? Share your perspective in the comments below, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the lives of the visionaries shaping our world. Enjoying the content? Smash that like button, share with your friends, and hit subscribe for more. Don't forget the bell icon. Stay updated.